English listening and speaking practice. A new dress. Who is it?
It's me, dear.
Don't you have your key?
No, let me in. What's in that box? What did you get?
A new dress, honey.
But you have a closet full of dresses.
I know, but I need a new one.
What's wrong with all the other dresses?
They're not this one.
A picnic.
Let's go for a picnic. That's a great idea. Where shall we go? Let's go to the park. How far is it? About a mile. Is it a nice place? Sure, it has picnic tables and a beautiful lake. Good, I'll make some sandwiches. I'll bring soda and cookies. The kids will love it. I'm going skiing.
We've got 10 inches of snow. Wow, that's terrific. What's so terrific about it? I'm going skiing. Skiing? Are you serious? Yes, it's a lot of fun. Maybe, but it's also dangerous. You need to live on the edge. And you need to make sure you don't fall off it. Traffic rules. Sarah, you can't park here. It's a bus stop.
Oh, we'll be back in a few minutes. It's okay.
Oh, no, it isn't. You'll get a parking ticket if you leave it here.
No, I won't. It's 5:30. All the traffic wardens have gone home.
Sarah?
Yes?
Is this your car, ma'am? Excuse me, may I see your license?
I'm afraid I've left it at home.
In that case, you'll have to take it to the police station within 5 days.
But why?
You were speeding, ma'am.
But I was only doing 75.
There's a 70-kilometer-per-hour speed limit on this road, ma'am.
Is there? I didn't see the sign.
Well, ma'am, we've been following you.
So you were doing 75 too?
No, ma'am. We were doing 90 kilometers per hour. And we couldn't catch you.
Whew! I'm really tired. Now I have to go home and cook. Do you make dinner every night? Yes, I usually make dinner, and my husband washes the dishes. I live alone, so I do everything. Sometimes I eat out, though. There are some good restaurants in my neighborhood. Where do you live? Near the Penn Center. That's good. There aren't any good restaurants near my house. Does your husband help you do housework much? Yes. He sets the table almost every night. And he makes our bed every morning. But I usually make all the meals. How about cleaning? We clean the house together every weekend. I vacuum the rooms, and he usually sweeps the floor of the kitchen, and he does yard work. Your husband helps you so much. Does he help do the laundry too? Well, he's never helped me do the laundry. Oral exams. Hey, Cindy. Have you finished the exam? Yes, I have. Woo! Was it hard? Well, yes, it was hard. Pretty hard. Did you pass? I don't know. Mrs. Lester didn't tell me. What questions did she ask? First, she asked me what my name was. That was easy, wasn't it? Yes, except I couldn't remember. Then she asked me where I came from and how long it took to get here from my country. What else did she ask? She asked how long I've been studying English here in Canada, and she asked how I would use English in the future. Yes, go on. Then she asked me to explain the difference between my country and Canada. Anything else? I'm trying to remember. Oh, yes, she asked if I spoke any other language. Is that all? Oh, there were a lot of other questions. She asked me what my hobbies were, where I visited in Canada. Then I was asked to read a passage. What did she say at the end? Let's see. Oh, yes! She asked me to tell you to go in right away. Would you call me? Well, see you tomorrow. I'd better go too. Oh, would you do me a favor? Sure. Would you call me tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the morning? Tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. I want to get her a new robe and I have to pick up the dry cleaning. And pick up the cake from the bakery. Anyway, I have lots of things to do, but I'm not sure I can get up early. Do you need a hand? Oh, can you? That would be great. Can you go to the mall and buy her a new robe? Pick up the dry cleaning and get the cake from the bakery? Then what will you be doing? Sleeping in, of course. Can I let you know? Are you going out with Leonard tonight? Uh-huh. He's supposed to pick me up at 6:30. What time is it now? 5:45. You'd better get going. You're kidding! I haven't even taken a shower! Where are you going? We haven't made up our minds yet. Maybe to a movie, maybe to a party. Go and see Forrest Gump. It's supposed to be interesting. Oh, maybe we will. I've heard The Sixth Sense is good, too. Well, I personally prefer Forrest Gump. I really should be going. Do you want to go shopping tomorrow? I'd like to go, but it depends. I might have to go to the store tomorrow and do some work. Can I let you know first thing in the morning? Okay, that would be all right. Oh, there's the phone. It must be Leonard. Well, I'll be going. Call me up tomorrow. I will. Have a good evening. You too. On the phone, a less formal call. Good afternoon, Scott and Smith. May I help you? May I speak to Mr. Scott and Mr. Smith, please? I'm sorry, they aren't here right now. Who's calling, please? George Martin. Is there any message I can take, Mr. Martin? No, I'll call back later. Thank you for calling, Scott and Smith. A cup of coffee. Can I get you something to drink? A cup of coffee, please. With milk and sugar? A little milk, but no sugar. I never drink coffee at night. Why not? It keeps me awake. What do you drink with supper? Tea. It helps me relax. I don't like tea. There are so many kinds of tea. Maybe you should shop around and try to find one you like, because coffee is so bad for you. That's a good idea. How about a drink? How about a drink tonight? I'd love to. Where can we meet?
How about the relaxed bar? Alright, what time? It's 8 o'clock, okay? Yeah, that's fine. I will meet you there. I'm really looking forward to it. Me too.
I have a sore throat. You sound terrible.
I have a sore throat.
You should rest your voice.
I know, it hurts when I talk.
What are you taking for your throat?
Hot tea and honey.
That should help. Are you going to work today?
No, I'm staying home.
Good idea.
I'll feel better tomorrow.
I hope so. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video.